I'm doing a random cat video. We've got a little orange cat coming up on us and a little black one right in front of him. And then closest to me right there is the mother. We started feeding her a few months ago because there was the two kittens. Now they think they have to eat 3 or 4 times a day. But they're really cute, so when I move, I'm in an apartment. This is my dirty deck. And of course, air conditioners. And the stone patio for the apartment downstairs. But when I move, I'm going to try and catch them and take them with me. Thanks for watching.